Ci siamo, perfetto, potete partire.
Ooh, that's my bad.
Ok, quindi i nostri ragazzi stanno iniziando.
Best of 3 or best of 5?
Best of 3.
The free.
Best of 3.
Eccoci qua, Albion's Games Café. Oh, incredibile, amazing. Thank you for being here, following our stream. I try to mash a bit of Italian and English, so you can follow the set as well. So the two players are starting to study each other. A little bit of advantage from Beyond here, which is playing pretty cleanly. The set is just begun, but we see JoJ that been confined to the corner. That was a nice side B. Ooh, good down air there. Oh, that was a chance to get a kill with late dash attack back air. Nel frattempo, castiamo anche un po' in italiano. Fox che in questo momento finish off stage. Ottimo da parte di JoJ. Questo juggling che però finisce piuttosto presto. Corner pressure che però non porta moltissimo. Ah, bel side B che prende la stock piuttosto presto. JoJ che riprende immediatamente su footing, ma... Oh, Beyond con un back air restituisce immediatamente il favore. Ciao Reki, piacere averti qui. Oh, bellissima lap tilt. Bellissima dash attack up tilt, insomma qualche piccola combo. JoJ here is holding shield and fighting back right with an attempted approach that doesn't go that well. Here is Beyond, keeping him at ledge with a good ledge trapping sequence. I swear my English is usually better than this, but I slept like 4 hours, so I can't really process two languages at the same time. Oh, bellissimo advantage, però finisce piuttosto presto, missato. Questo up smash che sarebbe stato molto importante. Bel back air piazzato da Beyond. Prova il down smash per cercare di punire il regrab. Ciao Franci, grazie per i voti. Viva Franci. Ti devo ancora caricare però. Ah, non riesce ad arrivare con la recovery. Buona sfortuna. Jab pair. Oh, in questo momento Samu ben presente. Questo set, piccola lead che però potrebbe andare via immediatamente con un'opzione ben piazzata da JoJ che però resta all'edge. JoJ here is trying to recover. He needs to get this footing, he needs to get this kill. But he seems to not be able to right now. Good down tilt. Barely misses the up tilt. Okay. Oh, that was a really good mix-up. That was a really good up B auto shield. Took him like as an anti-air. It's got armor, so it's not that. It's a good option. Oh, JoJ is yet again off stage. He managed to recover. He managed to recover. You got what I'm trying to say. Oh, that was a really nice back air. JoJ, Beyond takes this first game.
I choose whatever you want.
Raise me, you who band?
You. Blacklock. No, magari you.
The winner band, right?
Sì, mi
Or...
sorry. Sicilian.
You know, JoJ contro Beyond. Un set che sembra essere piuttosto competitivo. Entrambi i player a un passo dal battersi a vicenda, ma per questo primo game la spunta Beyond con il suo Fox. Intanto vedo qual è la sua skin, perché è quella base. Ah, è quella verde. Bei gusti, mi piace il verde. Ok, so here we are starting the second game of this best of 3 set. On Town and City, a stage that really benefits movement, so both characters have all the space they need to mix up their movement. But here JoJ already showing some great adapting, trying to get his foot like in the set, take this first stock, and he managed it with a F tilt. Beyond here maybe a little bit too in a hurry to like even things out. Another up B. Yes, he's really mashing this advantage right here. Oh, that was a really nice spike. A huge lead from JoJ right now. Beyond, yeah, he locked in. Oh, I can tell. JoJ è un player britannico. Showing some really clean action here on screen. Oh, that was a nice timing mix-up. Really good game. 3 stock from JoJ, taking the second game of the set. We got a game 3. It'd be interesting to see some adapting from Beyond and see a competitive third game.
Oh, sorry.
That's messed up actually. Are you like Albion Game Cafe? Are you like
Smashville.
the Albion, like the one from the majors? Like, is that the venue? Because I plan to go there someday. It's interesting. Like the level here is a little bit lower than in Great Britain, so in UK, I would really like to face some play from there. Yeah, sì, l'Albion non esiste più dal 2019. Fanculo la pandemia. Here we are, JoJ versus Beyond, the third game of the set. Competitive third game right now. Let's see how it goes. JoJ pushing an advantage. Threes. Ooh, out of sheet options. He's really messing him up right here. Oh, tried to cross up. Couldn't manage it. This moment, Beyond needs to take things slowly. Try to get his footing. This game has to be a little bit more patient. Oh, that was a nice timing mix-up. He's really good with the side B. Oh! He's fishing for too many reversals, too many jumps at ledge. Playing a bit unsafely, I guess. You can say that. Oh, bella tech da parte Beyond. Torno Sage. Bella up tilt. Prova un air, ma non prende. Oh, mamma mia! Mamma mia, è incredibile! Questo side B che prende stock dopo stock. JoJ ha trovato quella chiave per prendere stock presto. A Beyond impedirgli di giocare il suo gioco. Bel back air. Non sarà un T-stock come lo scorso game. JoJ right here, he has the stage control, he has the stock advantage, but it's a little bit risky option right there. Doesn't get much of a punish though. He is in the ledge though, he is in the corner, so I guess that caused it. Oh, really good. Ooh, he tries the F tilt. Ooh, nice jab. Oh, damn!
GG.
Down air. Amazing down air. Okay, I really understated you.
No, I think I was just playing really well, I think.
Okay. Yeah, but at the same time, I think I really